Today I came down to the lake to take a little off-roading adventure, but I ended up fighting my drone. Alright, let's go take it around these trails up over here. Just do a quick little drive. We're going to put it into 4 low, take off the stabilizer disconnect, turn on the AC. I'm going to take it around through here. Let's test it. Check this out. Next time I come down here, I'm going to get this drone working. But I'm also going to bring a couple of GoPros with me, mount one on the bed rail, maybe have one around here watching me coming through here. But I'll have a better camera set up next time and have this better planned out next time. But anyway, come along for the ride. You can get an idea of what this Trailhunter can do on the trails. Alright, well, we'll have to turn around. My drone's not following me. Well, that's not good. Alright. Yeah, this is completely spur of the moment thing I did here. Just come down here to shoot a video or two of just going over some things, and I just couldn't help myself. I had to get this thing off-road. Going to put on our locking rear diff. Alright, I think I'm going to turn around right here and go get my drone because it's not following me for some reason. Although this is fun. Oh, now I have to come back out here, but I got to go get my drone. Now check out that view. You just can't get that view from anywhere. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Alright, well, we went over one small obstacle, but we need to go back and get the drone. I got to get this drone figured out. Let's go this way. All right, here we go. This big obstacle. Gonna go down. No problem for the Trailhunter. All right, I can see my drone over there, just sitting over there in stationary position. We'll have to see what kind of footage it's got. Alright, let's get our drone. What a view. Alright, here we go. We are in 4 low, let's go. I'm not going to take it down through over there until I get some better mud flaps. The stable R disconnect is working pretty good right now. Oh yeah, I can feel it. That's nice. There's a big dip. All right, here's a little bit of drone footage I got from being down at the lake. You kind of see some of the trails I went over. And like I said, I'll come back down here and get some better views next time with more cameras and get this drone working like I want it to work. But anyway, we will see you next time. If you like that video, be sure to subscribe if you haven't already and hit that notification bell. And be sure to like and share this video and comment down below. Let me know your thoughts and what you think. And we will see you next time.